So this is Alpine Equipment, and my name is Daniel Bivens. I'm the general manager here. We're in American Fork, Utah. We've been in business since 2019. We work on everything from jumping jacks up to full rebuilds on dozers, excavators, loaders, and everything in between. If it's got equipment and it's got an engine, we can work on it. The biggest thing, every machine breaks. That's the industry. It's how the company responds to the break. How do you handle the issue when it's presented, and how do you take their problem and make it your own? So at Alpine, we like to make your problem our problem, and let's make it work.
As an authorized Kubota engine service dealer for AIE, Alpine provides certified expert-level support for Kubota-powered equipment across Utah.
Being a repair facility here in Utah, anything that walks through the door, Kubota is in just about everything. So we had a lot of experience, but we did not have the fundamental base. So getting access and support from Kubota through the warranty processes, through parts research, if it's something that has been an odd item that we don't touch every day. One of the things that I've noticed with Kubota, the training is pointed at a very high rate. They want their dealers to make sure that they're getting in there and getting all the data that they can.
They are recognized as a premier Kubota service dealer, being one of the very first dealers nationwide to complete the entirety of Kubota Engine America's advanced instructor-led training.
Hey, Alan, how you doing, sir? Not much. Hey, Ben. Good to see you, sir.
A key part of Alpine's success as a Kubota engine service dealer is their partnership with AIE.
Let's look at how we can improve what we do day to day. What I see is Anderson is dedicated to making that happen, and Anderson is right up there as far as you have everything online, you have it through a portal, I can look it up, I can send it to a customer, I can send it to my tech. Doesn't matter where, when, who, what, why the situation is, there is a resource and it's available online or it's available through a portal.
Whether you need engine diagnostics, full service repair, or expert guidance, their team delivers top-tier support with professionalism and precision.
It's a legacy thing. I was raised in a company, and I see the value in being raised around this equipment, around what makes the city's country tick. Being able to see my kid walk in the door, get excited about a Mini X, just get excited about a skid steer. That's what makes me get up every single day and do what I do.
Trusted, certified, reliable, powered by Kubota.